back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another cook with me edition, and this time I'm going to make Indomie. I'm making Indomie with egg, but not your regular Indomie and egg. I'm making something different. I'm giving it a little twist. It's more like I'm making the egg, then I'm mixing it with Indomie. I don't want to do the regular. We're tired of eating the regular Indomie and fried egg, you know. So I just want to do something different for the house today. So I don't want to waste too much of your time, but let me just go through the list of ingredients and show you what we have on table for today. So here, first of all, I'll start with the Indomie, of course. I'm using the Indomie instant noodle, the onion chicken flavor. You can use any flavor you want, but because I love the onion chicken flavor, so that's why I'm using this. And we have a full house, so I'm making 6 of this. So the next ingredients we have here is fresh tomatoes. I need enough vegetable, so the fresh tomatoes is going to go for that. And we have our onion already, the red onion already sliced. And the next ingredient also on our plate is our eggs, and I'm using about 6 eggs as well. And we have our fresh pepper already chopped and sliced. And this is crayfish. I just like a little bit. I like, you know, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm Rivers. Everything, there has to be a little crayfish in everything I eat. Adding a little bit for this extra taste. And this is the pot we're going to use for boiling the Indomie. But here, I just want to say this. I want to boil the Indomie, but you can decide not to boil your Indomie. You open your Indomie, you put it into a pan or anything, a bowl, and you pour your hot water and let it take off some of the starch. I always like taking off some starch from whatever I eat. So you can do that, or you can boil it. So because I don't have the patience to like wait for like the starch and everything to come up and the Indomie to get soft in the water, I feel that tends to also make my Indomie get softer than the way I want it. I'll do the boiling method. I'll just put some water here and let the water boil. So if I don't let the water boil and I add Indomie directly, I'm going to soak more water before it starts cooking and it becomes very soft and soggy, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'll just put water here. When the water boils, we're going to add our Indomie. I won't let it stay for up to a minute on heat. I'll bring it out and take off the water and add cold water so it stops cooking, and then I'll continue with this process where our tomatoes and onion is going to come into play. So I think I've been talking too much already. Let's get right into it. So this is the part you run. You can see the kind of water that came out of the noodles. So I'm just running cold water to stop the cooking process, and I'm very sure now most of the starch and chemicals must have gone off. So yeah, I'm okay with that now. Fry our onion and just let it fry for a little bit. Don't let it dry up, guys. Once your onion is looking a little bit golden brown, then you know it's time to add the fresh tomatoes. And I might not use all these fresh tomatoes, guys, because it's going to be too much, I think. So you just want to add the fresh tomatoes. Let's just let it fry for a little bit, and then we'll add our fresh pepper, and I'll come back to show you what's next. Once your sauce is looking like this, that means it's time to add the egg. And so we already mixed our egg here. I'm just pour it. So guys, I just added my egg. And because we want this egg to be chunky and we want to see it in our food, we let it cook for a while. So this is the same process for your egg sauce. For my egg sauce, I like to make my fresh tomatoes look more fresh. Like I don't let it cook up to this extent if I'm making egg sauce. But for noodles, I like it to cook very well. So yeah, that's it. Because you don't want it to get scattered and so this is the oil that came from the noodles, and this is also the spice from the noodles. As I said, we're not using all the spice. And at the same time, I'm going to add I don't like my noodles to be too sweet, so we still have some left here. As you can see, I'm not using oil. Then we're going to add the oil. This oil is really nice that came from the noodles. That's more reason why I like the onion flavor, because it has some oil in it. So let's just see this. Oh, this is looking so good, guys. If you're in my kitchen, and I assure you, you're going to be salivating now. It smells so good. So now it's time to add our noodles, and this is our noodles. Let's just add them in here gradually. I have like a big fork that would support, so you just want to add the noodles in gradually. See what I'm doing. So this is our fried Indomie. That's what I call it when I was growing up. We call it fried Indomie. Yeah. Indomie is noodles. You're going to see Charlie Indomie itself. You see like a well-prepared. You're going to see like a well-prepared noodles. I just reduced the heat because I don't really want it to overcook. This is going to cook now on low heat, and we're not covering it. We just want it to steam up a little bit and let the ingredients get into the noodles. Guys, this smells so good. Like, my kids can't wait to eat this. They're already running everywhere here. You have to take your time and make it the way you want it. So this is the point where we add our crayfish. Food is going to taste like sugar, like it's going to be really sweet. So I'm just adding a little bit crayfish now. Don't ever add your crayfish when you're frying your egg or your sauce. Add it at this stage. If you add it at the early stage, your food is going to be very sweet like sugar, and that is not good. Wait, maybe once the egg is almost ready, or if you're using this stuff, maybe you're mixing it with rice, you add it at the ending part. So now I'll just let it, let me say 10 minutes because of the quantity. Say 10 minutes because of the quantity. I'll let it boil for, it's not boiling, let it just steam for 10 minutes, and I'll take it off heat. Okay. So guys, this is how it looks. Yeah. So guys, I just finished making the food, and this is the final look. I'm about to eat as usual. You want to eat something fast, or you want something you can make for your kids that still has some good vegetables in it and it's very fast. This is my go-to food, and I'm very sure you're going to like it as well. So without talking too much, I just want to eat my food. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, come on, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it, give it a thumb up, give it a thumb up. And if there's any video you would want me to make for you guys, let me know, because I'll be glad and I would love to do that. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of Cooking with me, and till I see you guys in my next one, bye for now. And please don't forget to check out my other video. I just made a video about my try-on haul. I'm very sure you check that. You also see that before this video, I guess. So don't forget to also watch my other video.